That's what I want. I mean, I'm not in favor of people doing, heroin or cocaine or any of those drugs. Just like I'm not in favor of people smoking cigarettes. I mean, people can smoke if they want to. I advise not to, right? But I think it should be the same with these drugs, right? Yes, they're bad for you. There's a lot of things that are bad for you. I mean, junk food is bad for you. We don't ban it. So I think that if drugs were legal, look, cocaine was legal, right? It was in Coca-Cola. That's where the name came from. I don't encourage people to do drugs, but I recognize that the problem isn't the drugs so much as the fact that they're illegal. That's where all the crime comes from. The crime is here because the profits, and the profits are here because they're illegal. Look, there are no cartels that are smuggling cigarettes across the Mexican border or liquor. Why? Because those are legal products and we can buy them from reputable companies. And we don't have to worry that, there's some kind of impurities in our liquor that we're going to end up dying with, right? That's the problem, with a lot of the drugs. It's because the drugs are expensive. The criminals who make them lace them with cheaper ingredients that are actually more harmful, like fentanyl, right? A lot of times people, when they die of, cocaine, it's because there's fentanyl in there. And, if that happens, you can't sue your drug dealer. Hey, you gave me bad heroin or bad cocaine. No, I mean, there's no court that you could sue it. I mean, that's it. But, if you have a reputable company that's selling you a product and now you have somebody that you can sue, you can have somebody that can be responsible. So, if you have legal drugs where they're available, even if they're by prescription, I mean, then you can deal with drugs as a health issue instead of a crime issue. A lot of the crimes in America are committed by drug addicts who are stealing money so they can buy drugs because the drugs are expensive. If they were legal, they'd be a lot cheaper. So at least they wouldn't have to steal from people to support their habit. So because that's what makes the drug problem a problem for everybody. You may not do drugs at all, but your house gets robbed by somebody who does.